Welcome to Jamaican Crime, the channel that discusses crime in Jamaica. The Independent Commission of Investigations, Indecom, responded to and began an investigation into a shooting incident by an off-duty police officer in Indecom, St Elizabeth on January 6. The shooting incident resulted in the death of Lloyd Davis, and the injury of 5 persons to include 2 young children, ages 6 and 11 years old. All 6 persons were reported to have received gunshot wound injuries. It is reported that the off-duty police officer was in attendance at an event in the Akompunk community, when the officer allegedly attempted to intervene in a fight between 2 men. It is alleged that the officer was subsequently attacked, during which the officer discharged his service Glock pistol. No firearm was reported as retrieved from the incident scene. The officer reported that he was injured during the altercation. Indecom processed the incident scene, to include the collection of forensic exhibits and the firearm of the concerned officer. Witness canvassing was also conducted by the investigative team. The concerned officer did not make himself available to provide an initial account or to formally receive a Section 21 notice, which advises of an interview and request for the submission of a statement. Indecom's investigation will seek to determine if the off-duty police officer was the only person who fired a weapon during this incident, resulting in the death of 1 person and injury to 5 others. The accounts of the injured persons will be collected at an appropriate time. Indecom is appealing to all persons who witnessed or may have any information in relation to this incident, to contact the Commission's head office and share any details that will be useful to the ongoing inquiries.